Hi guys, welcome to your stretching video from the Pink K-Pop Academy. So let's get started. We're going to just pull the head gently over to the side. I don't want you to pull too hard, it's just a really gentle, just to get the muscles here awake. Okay, nice and gentle. And the other side. And you might want to play some music while you're doing this. I usually play instrumentals from whatever dance it is I'm about to teach. Just so that bring it down, your body and your mind can start to get used to the beats that you're going to be hearing and working with. And bring it up for me, especially if you're a new dancer, your brain is still going to be getting used to the idea of all the different sounds and beats in the music. So bring in a gentle circle. So listening to the instrumentals can be really helpful with getting the hang of where all those beats and timings are. So as we're going in the circle, I want you to keep this really slow and really gentle. Bring it the other way. What I don't want is this throwing around. Yes, it does make your ponytail look really cool, but it's actually really bad for your neck and you'll probably end up pulling something. So nice and slow and gentle. We're not trying to pull anything, we're just trying to gently wake the muscles up. Okay, now the shoulders. So just lift and back and over. That's it. Okay. And you can do any of these stretches bring them forwards for as long or as short as you want. I'm just giving you kind of the basic outline of how to do everything now. And big circles for me. And you can work with this, you can follow the video, or you can do it by yourself. It's up to you. And bring them forwards. There we go. Okay, now bring one arm across for me. And just put a little bit of pressure. We're just waking up those shoulder muscles in the back. Okay, and this one over to the other side. There we go. Okay, so bring one arm up. What I don't want you to do is pull down here. This is not a test of how flexible your arm is. It's a resistance stretch. So you're just pushing the elbow gently against the hand for some resistance, and you're going to feel the muscles down here having a bit of a stretch there. Okay, so I want you to give me a nice big stretch over to the side. Now what I don't want you to do is to lean here or put any weight on the leg, okay? This is about stretching and opening here. So I also don't want you to lean forward or lean back. Just gently go over to the side. If you can only go a little bit and you feel the stretch, that's fine. If you can go deeper, that's great. But I want you to keep this arm up, maybe rested on your side gently, because otherwise you're pulling either the wrong muscles or muscles that we don't want to pull at all. So same thing on the other side, bit of a resistance stretch for this arm. There we go. It's a lovely sunny day outside today. And stretch on the other side. That's it. It's great we get all this, lovely outdoor weather when we're all quarantined inside, isn't it? It's always the way. Thanks, Ireland. Okay, and back up. Now, stretch all the way up, tall as you can go. Try to reach the ceiling. I don't know, maybe some of you can actually reach the ceiling. All the way up. Okay, and now bring all the way down. As low as you can go. If you can only get this far, that's fine. Or if you can reach this far, if you can reach your toes, if you can reach the floor, whatever creates a stretch for you. If you're quite flexible like me, you might like to just cross your arms over like that and just hang a little bit. One thing we don't do is bounce, okay? We never ever bounce when we're stretching. Okay. So now just take one foot, any foot, and reach over. Again, you don't have to force your stomach onto your leg, just a gentle stretch is fine. Okay? And the other side. And keep breathing, that's the key. Keep breathing as we're stretching. It's very easy to forget to breathe when you're focused on your muscles being in discomfort that they're not usually in. So, gentle and keep breathing. Now, you're going to do a bit of a lunge to the side, but what I don't want you to do is drop all the way down here, okay? That's not the stretch we're going for. What I want you to do is keep both feet relatively steady and just lean forward, because what we're doing here is stretching the back of the legs. The hips are going to get plenty of stretching in a minute. What I want you to do is get a good stretch on the back of the leg. So keep this leg nice and straight and just bend the front leg. Okay, and it doesn't have to be, if you can just do a little one, that's fine. Again, whatever suits you, okay? This is your body we're stretching. So just, but if you can go for a bit of a deeper stretch too, and again, keep the back up nice and straight. Again, don't bounce. Big temptation to bounce when we're doing these kinds of stretches. Just sit with it, okay? Okay, so now we're going to drop down. So bring the legs to the front first and going down on one side and stretch this leg out. Keep this leg to the side. Now, if this is as much of a stretch as you can do, that's fine. Most important thing is keep balanced, okay? Don't waste your time in the stretch trying to balance. Just put both hands on the floor. Fingertips, I've got this Spider-Man style thing going on, but flat hands is fine as well. But just to make sure you're balanced, if you need to put one hand behind as well, you can. So try and keep the weight forward. If you need a deeper stretch on this, you can try pointing the toe or alternating between pointing and flexing. You can also aim to get your foot flat on the ground as well, but only if you've got serious flexibility in your hips already, okay? So for the rest of us mere mortals, we will be keeping our heel up, and just let your body rest into the stretch as well. You don't want to be resisting the stretch, especially on the legs, and do not bounce. Okay, so I can swap over to the other side. Okay, again, steady yourself. There's no point in rocking around the place, okay? Just try and keep nice and steady. And then you can point the toe and flex. Okay. I always feel it much more on this side than the other side. Okay, now we're gonna stand back up. Again, turn to the side. And do that lunge on the other side. Now, again, keep this leg kind of straight, keep that foot on the floor. Okay. The hips get their own stretches. Okay, now sit down on the ground. Feet out front, give them a little bit of a shake. Okay, and bring one foot over, and we're gonna just warm up the ankles a little bit. Make some circles. We use our ankles for literally everything in dance all of the time, so we need to keep them nice and flexible and strong, because the last thing that you want is a twisted ankle. And the other way. Again, you don't have to be forceful with this, just nice and gentle. Okay. Now, so bring that knee up. I want you to cross over. I'm going to do a little bit of a twist here, okay? So it should be your opposite arm to whatever leg is there. And just twist yourself a little bit. Okay. And swap over to the side. Warm up the ankle. Go the other way. And then again, bring it up. And opposite arm over. And give back a bit of a twist. Keep the back nice and straight as well. Keep breathing. Okay. Take that out. And we are good to go. So, you're probably going to go from this into a basics video. I would not recommend going straight to tutorial or practice from here. Do a bit of a warm-up. There should be 2 videos there for you guys to do your basic warm-up with. So, good luck and I'll see you later.